Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you a haul of the products that I ordered from the Erin Condren launch day. So I know I'm a little late to this, but I just realized that I didn't share with you guys yet everything that I ordered. I did place 2 orders. I went a little crazy, but it's because I really wanted to do a giveaway. So I got some goodies for you guys. I got something for my mom in here, and I got myself some goodies. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I ordered. So definitely stick around to the end for a giveaway. Quick little message before we jump into the video. Today, the Erin Condren summer seasonal surprise boxes went on sale, and I know you guys enjoy seeing like when I do unboxings of these. So as of right now, when I'm filming this, they are still available for sale. So I would highly recommend you go to the Erin Condren website right now and order one. I will have a link down below for you guys to purchase. It's my affiliate link if you want to use that. But if you've ever thought about getting a seasonal surprise box, now is the time to order. Don't wait, because these sell out so fast. I'm gonna try and edit this video so quickly because I'm nervous by the time I get this video up, they might already be sold out. Like I'm telling you guys, they sell out that fast. So if you want to get the summer seasonal surprise box, click the link below. So if you missed my video where I talked about the new planner launch from Erin Condren, I'll leave that linked in the cards for you guys, but I share a walkthrough of the new planners and it got me so excited. Like, I had a planner to share with you guys, like as an example, but it just got me so excited for everything else that was launching. So I had to order some things, and when you order like one thing, like you can't help but order all the other things at the same time. So that is what happened here. So there was some gift with purchases. So this was a gift with purchase, this clear clutch. Because I placed 2 orders, I got 2 of these, so I'm using one of them as a makeup bag, and this one I will give away to you guys, but I think it is so cute. It's just this clear clutch with like this kind of pale minty blue. Mine had a bunch of smudges on it, which I thought was kind of weird. This one doesn't, so this one looks good to go. I don't know, maybe there's smudges on it now because of my hands. Next, I ordered some face masks. So first, I ordered this one originally because I wanted the mid-century circle face mask because I have the pajamas with the same design and also the umbrella, and I just wanted to do like a photo shoot. I haven't done it yet, but I want to do like a photo shoot, like all mid-century circled out, and wear my mask and all that good stuff. So I got this. It is a kid size one, which was too small for me, but they were sold out of all of the adult size face masks. So I got this kids one, and I ended up cutting off the ear loops and sewing on these ones right here. And I just hand stitched these because this was before I got a sewing machine. If you watch my vlogs for my birthday, my mom actually got me a sewing machine, so I'm so excited about that. But yeah, I just hand stitched this. So I have the mid-century circle face mask, but when the adult sizes came back in stock, I ordered 2 more with like really pretty designs. So we have the colorful layers design here, and it is adult size, so we're good to go on that. And then the flower power design, which I love so much. I mean, we're the little flower family here. How can I not fall in love with the flower power design? So those are the face masks that I got. I have to say, these are super, super thick. I almost have a hard time breathing with it. I mean, that's with this kids one. I haven't tried these adult size ones, so maybe these ones will work better. Maybe this is like, it's because it's way too small for me. Maybe that's why I have a hard time breathing. But I will say the material of this is very thick. Okay, now let's get into more of the goodies. I ordered a pop socket. So this is new. Erin Condren has a bunch of different pop sockets now. So I got the flower power design. Eee! And then I also got 2 of the flower power sticker books. I was so excited when I saw these. In my preview unboxing, I got the layers one, which I love so much, but when I saw the flower power one, I was like, I need to have it. So I got one for myself, I got one for you guys. Oh my gosh, I ordered some of the softbound notebooks. These are the softbound notebooks. They're like petite size. Ooh, look at that blue on the side of the pages. It's so pretty. But I got the colorful layers. This is a lined notebook. And then the flower power one. Oh, look, there's like kind of pinky reddish color right there. also a lined one. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. Ah! I wish you guys could feel it. But it is just a basic lined notebook, and then you have that little bookmark here so you can mark your page. I don't know exactly what I'm going to use these for, but again, like when you see a good notebook, you gotta grab it because you'll use it for something eventually later on. I think these are just beautiful. I have a whole bookshelf in my bedroom of a bunch of Erin Condren notebooks that I have yet to use, but I'm just like obsessively collecting them. I have a problem. But I have a lot of the hardbound notebooks, which I don't think she does anymore. I think she only does these softbound, which if I have to pick between the hardbound and softbound, the softbound is way better. I just love the feeling of this. Okay, I got the Flower Power pen. I am thinking of giving this away. It's so pretty. I have the Layers one. I don't know which one I want to keep for myself, the Flower Power or the Layers. I'm not quite sure yet, but it was just so pretty I had to order it. Like, look at how gorgeous that is. And then I ordered, these are not new, I needed some more of these because these Erin Condren cards I absolutely love and I use them all the time. I have the little box here, so I'm always like refilling these. So these were just refills for my little box right here. Ta-da! I ordered a bunch of sticky notes because you guys know I'm obsessed with these. I love using them in my Bible. So I got this one right here. I think this design was called Retro. Oh, Retro Stripes, yeah. So I like using this in my Bible. All of these I like using in my Bible. I don't use them for my planner, even though this is like planner stuff. This one, oh my gosh, I think this is from the Focused collection. Erin Condren has this line of products called the Focused collection, and it's all very like sleek, clean, minimalistic type. It's not like super loud and colorful like everything else. Like, so I feel like if a guy is wanting to try Erin Condren, like maybe this would work for them, or just someone who has a very clean, simple, minimalist type of style. I think you would really like the Focus line. If you're not super into the loud colors and everything like that, definitely check out the Focus line. But these were part of it, and I love the little tabs that stick out because look at these ones too. Any sticky notes that have tabs that stick out are awesome, especially when writing in my Bible. This has like little dot grid here, lines, and then this is blank. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna do anything like dot grid related. I'm just gonna take notes, but I think they're so cool. So I got these two. I've had these before, but I reordered these because I love them so much. The Retro Stripes sticky notes. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at the page flags here. Look at the circle. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Again, mainly gonna use these in my Bible. I like using the smaller page flags for planning out video ideas in my planner, but for the most part, these will be going in my Bible. As well as these, oh my gosh, oh, they're so freaking pretty. The Flower Power design is gorgeous. I love all of these. I even love these ones, but I feel like these are more decorative. These are actually, it's a triangle, so they're two like triangles. I feel like these would be great corner like stickies to put like at the top of the page just for decoration, not really to write anything because of how loud this design is. So I don't think you're meant to write anything on there, but all of these ones, you have so much space to write things. Aren't these so pretty? I can't with this Flower Power design. It's so pretty. Even though the planner that I'm gonna be using starting in July is going to be the Layers Neutral. I love that planner so much and I fell in love with it. But all of the accessories, the Flower Power accessories, I am in love with. Like, these are gorgeous. And then I got this sheet. I don't know the exact name, but these are like event stickers, and I feel like they're a lot skinnier than what I'm used to. I don't know, maybe that's just me. But I love the event stickers on Erin Condren, and I couldn't find the regular ones that I normally get. This was all I could find, so I figured I'd try these out and see how I like them. I use event stickers in my monthly page for my video uploads, so this sticker sheet will be used for my monthly page, and it's only one sticker sheet in here. And you weren't able to customize this. This was like the color layout, like ombre thing that they already had set for this sticker sheet. I don't know why I couldn't find the event stickers, but those are like my favorite to get. I ordered some covers that I have been eyeing. This one was a new one. Let all that you do be done in faith. Oh my gosh, love that quote, and then love this design. It's like soft pastel, like, I don't know, what would you call that, watercolor, like streaks? I don't know, it's so pretty, but I just love this color scheme of like the orange, like the peachy orange to the green and blue. It looks like a wave. It's so pretty, and here's what the back looks like. And there's me in the reflection. But I love their interchangeable covers. These are fairly new, but they're not brand new. Like, these were on the website already, but I had been eyeing them and I've been wanting to get them. So this first one says, "You are beautiful, capable, worthy." And I think it's so pretty, and I love the little cursive font underneath, and it's just pink, like peach on the back. Such a pretty color. I love that one. And then this one I'm obsessed with. I'm so happy to finally have this in a cover form. This is the I don't know the exact name of this, painted rainbow maybe it's called, but this gorgeous rainbow cover, and I chose not to customize it, but I just love this. I'm obsessed with this cover. Can't wait to use it on my planner. Yee! Now this is new. I haven't tried these. This is the on-the-go folio insert organizer. I do have the on-the-go folios. What is that black smudge? Where is that coming from? Is it on the inside? Where? I cannot get this black smudge off. And I can't even feel if it's on the inside. It's literally right in between. Ew, that's weird. It's right in between, like I can't even get it. Ew, that's gonna bother me so much. Look at that. That's an eyesore. But anyways, this, it says, okay, you have this large pocket here, you have 3 small pockets, and then 2 medium pockets on the other side. Yeah, okay, the large folder. So you put this in your folio like that. So you can put like business cards right there, open it up, have some more storage space, and then this little pocket, you can put like stickers and stuff. So that's pretty cool. You would just attach it right here, like the rubber band part in the on-the-go folio. So they have a little example to show you guys how to set it up here. I do love the on-the-go folios, so I wanted to get this and try it out and see if it was going to be like useful for me in my on-the-go folio. So we'll try that out and I'll let you guys know how that goes. And then this I really am so excited about. This is the new on-the-go folio sticker album. You know what I'm thinking of doing? Maybe I might order like a couple more of these and like just create a whole on-the-go folio full of these sticker books. So if you have any of the older sticker books, I don't think these, yeah, they're not gonna fit because it's just the wrong size. But these new sticker books, they are the perfect size, so you can rip these out and put them in here if you want, so that way you can flip through if that's easier for you, or even the loose stickers like these ones, they fit perfectly in there. So actually, you know what? I think I am going to do that. I think I'm gonna order a bunch more of these and stick them all in an on-the-go folio because I have some extra covers. So I might do that and just have a on-the-go folio of nothing but stickers. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I just don't know I have all of these old stickers. I can't fit them in here. Aww. So now on to the planners. I did get 2 different planners, so I placed 2 separate orders. So with one order, we got the coin purse as a gift with purchase, which they're sending separately, so I haven't received that yet. And then with the other one, you have the option between the coin purse and a petite journal, and for the other order that I placed, I went with a petite journal. I'll insert a picture right here. I did receive it, I just cannot find it. I don't know where I put it, to be honest, but I know that I received it. anyways, let's get into the planners that I picked up. So this first one, I think this one is the Flower Power. Yeah, this one is the Flower Power design. And I'm actually going to be giving this to my mom. I let her choose. I showed her the 2 different planner styles that I had ordered, and I let her pick which one she liked best. So here is the Flower Power cover. You got your little freebies in here. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It was a close call. Like, I was so close to going with Flower Power for my planner choice, because this is beautiful. I love these pages so much, how like the flowers come up behind the page flag. Like, that's gorgeous. I just didn't know, like, even though this is beautiful, I just would prefer a more simple layout for my monthly spread, as well as this like dashboard page. I just felt like this was a little bit too much for my liking. Sometimes I like to be very simple in my planner, or sometimes I like to completely change the color scheme. So when they have these colors already set up for you, it just kind of throws me off. But I love these pages, like, they're so pretty. And this one is the one I'm going to be doing a giveaway with. So we got the Layers, oops, I got it upside down. We got the Layers planner. Look at how pretty. Like, normally it's kind of an easy call for me to go with the neutral design, because sometimes the colorful ones are just too loud for me. And even though this is colorful, I'm in love with this. Like, I'm so obsessed with this. I think it's gorgeous, so beautiful. I cannot get enough of it. So you got the little freebies in there. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. And this is actually an hourly layout. So the Layers colorful hourly. Look at how pretty. I used an hourly, was it last year or the year before? And I really liked using an hourly, to be honest. I feel like there's still so many different ways you can customize and decorate it, but my love is always gonna be for the vertical. Let's go ahead and set aside everything that I am giving away to you guys. So we've got the planner, of course. And of course you get the storage box with your planner. We're giving away a sticker book, the clear clutch. It's so cute, so I'll give that away as well. And I'm also going to include the Layers Neutral Planny Pack for you guys, so you can put all of your pens and stickers in here for on-the-go planning. Also, this dashboard I'm going to include, as well as these mini snap-in bookmarks, the monthly planner from July 2020 to December 2021. So a little petite monthly planner for you. I'm gonna include that. And then one of these pens, I have not decided which one yet. So maybe I'll let you guys pick. Whoever wins, you can choose either the Flower Power pen or the Layers colorful pen, because whichever one I don't send out, I'm gonna keep for myself. But I like them both, so I really can't choose. But that is what I'm going to be giving away. So if you want to win this little collection of goodies and planner, then all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and you can follow me on my Instagram for bonus points, and leave a comment sharing what you are most excited to be planning in your planner. Like, what are you excited to put into your planner to set goals for yourself, or upcoming events, or school, or whatever it may be? Like, what are you most excited to use your planner for? Let me know in the comments below, and I will choose a winner in about a week or so. Also, be sure to include either your Twitter or Instagram username in your comment, because that's how I choose the winner, and that's how I will contact you. It's just, I've been doing that for the past several giveaways that I've done, and it works the best for me, and I have had zero like conflict with like fake accounts, scammers, all that kind of stuff. So this is just the best way to do it. So make sure you include your username, and I'll slide into your DMs if you win. So thank you guys so much for watching, and good luck to all of you that enter the giveaway, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!